Hello, today I'm going to be upgrading the hard drive on my main computer with a 160 gig Hitachi. Yep. Desk Star. So what I have in there is a 80 gig and a 500 gig, and I have just ran out of space on the 81 for the hard drive. So I'm going to be upgrading it to twice it, a little bit, so it'll be good. Yeah, twice it actually. Anyway, let's get started. First I have to move things. I also got a new keyboard and it's quite cool. I got off all the data I needed, but I also have the hard drive still, so just in case. If you're wondering, I use a wireless mouse for my computer. Because the one mouse I have is not that good. Except for my keyboard, this is nice. It's a Steel Series. I don't remember. Apex Raw. I have the box sitting over there, so I remember. And I can just look at the box. I need you power cable, so you better stay. Luckily my desk is pushed back pretty much all the way, so it won't move. Now you're going to see the inside of my computer for the first time. Move the phone. Okay. Okay, here it is. There we go. That's the inside of it. Hopefully you can see that, yeah. Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM, another fan, 5 Radeon 5770, 2 hard drives, 580. So, first I better grab my screwdriver, which is all the way over here. And yes, my graphics card is pretty big, and hopefully soon enough I'll be upgrading it to a 750 Ti from GeForce. Looks like my bit is too small, so I gotta go grab the other one. This is why you have multiple screwdrivers when you are a computer mechanic. Yes, I call myself that. Okay. Wrong one, wrong screw. Here we go. Also, the 80 gig is one that has Windows on it. I have all my special files on my 500, and I hopefully don't format it when I do the Windows install. I want to put Windows 10 on it, because that's just what I have that I'm going to have on it. There we go. Undo, and slide out. Now, this is the exact same hard drive, actually. The exact same one. The one thing is, It's an 80 gig. When I first saw it, I thought it was a 160 gig. It actually isn't. I never realized that for a long time for some reason. Eventually I did. Oh, the DVD burner in here is Blu-ray burning, so it has everything, which is nice. Wondering where I got this computer? Free Geek Vancouver. That is the best place to go if you ever need anything like this. This is a Core i7 Linfield, I think it is. Darn it. So, the second i7 made. This is the second Core i7 ever made. First one was Bloomfield, this is Linfield. Or the i7-87. No K at the end. So, it cannot be overclocked, except it goes up to... Damn it. There we go. Frick, I need to grab another screw. Luckily, I have some sitting just behind me. That's better. So, it's an i7-87 non-K, so non-overclockable, but it boosts up to 3.6 gigahertz and has a base frequency of 2.93 gigahertz. And that's installed. So let's just put in the connector, put in the power. There we go. Installed. Cable management is, well, better than normal, I would say. So this has video card and also a Wi-Fi card in it, which is good. For some reason Windows 10 doesn't actually recognize this as the 5770 at first. And then I install the driver and then it works, but for some reason it doesn't at first. I don't get why. This is a pretty nice computer though, I have to say. That's why I bought it. Not that much. I'm rambling there, aren't I? Okay. Time to put the side panel back on it. Ow. Oh, I just hit the camera. Damn it. Oh, damn screw in the way. There we go. If you're wondering what kind of ports the video card has, it's two DVI, I think it's D connectors. It has the little cross pattern, and HDMI and display port. But I just use DVI because I don't have a monitor good enough. It has eSATA, which is kind of cool. All the audio connectors you would ever need. The Studio XPS 8100. No one makes them anymore. And Dell. So Dell doesn't make them anymore. You can still buy them, but there's i5 ones, and I have the i7 one, which is kind of cool. That's that. So sound, keyboard, that. Okay, got everything. Anyway. Do this now. slide it back in place. This still has all my data on it, so I'll do something with it. I need my mouse. Damn it! What did I just drop? Well, it doesn't really matter. That can go back. This can go back. I'm just putting things back where they were. Ugh, okay. Let's go to the monitor. It's time. Ooh. Install Windows. That's better. Ooh. So I got my Windows 10 disk. Totally real. Not copied, I promise. No, I don't. Anyway, time to turn on the computer. Turn on my monitor. Put in disk. Oh crap. Close. It's gonna say no operating system found, I know it. I get it. Anyway. Enter. That's a cool light show. Dun 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 dun. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of the video because reasons. I installed the hard drive. It's just gonna be a Windows 10 installation, installing stuff, and that's really it. So I hope you had a good time. Click here for another video. Click here, subscribe, and there you go. Have a good day. Have a good night. Whoever you're watching or whatever. Good day. Have a good day.